Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to give text outline in Google Slides. So first step you want to do is to go over to your text and click on it. Now that you have selected your text field that you want to give outline to, just go over here to these more options, this three dots symbol, click on that. Then click on Format Options, and here it will open up this window where you can click on Drop Shadow, which will select this field. Then make it red, for example, to outline it really good. And then make sure you increase the opacity so it is outlined. And then you can also increase or decrease the blur radius if you want. So basically it will be like this, or it could be just outlined a little bit like this. So feel free to play with this however you want. You can see how it looks right here. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.